Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 25th, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the four-star Sudoku. Four-star Sudoku number 9330. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Yes, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a four stars Sudoku? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have here. Let me scan. 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours. Oh, no, 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 no. We have 4 twos. 3 threes, 2 fours, 1, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 4 sevens. Yes. 1 8 and 3 9s. So the 2s and the 7s are a majority. Question is, can we start with the 2? Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left to choose should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the last column, no 2 there. The only place left to choose should be there. 2 2 2. 2 2 2 2 2. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Need the 2 there. 2 2. Alright, cannot continue with the 2. How about the 7s then? 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 2 2 2 2. 7. Then need a 7 here, need a 7 there, need a 7 there. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 3. About 5, need 5 here. 4 missing numbers now in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and the 5 in this big square, so no 1 and the 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So the other pair in this middle column are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. No, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright, need 2. Need a 7 here, need a 7 here. Okay, and now 1. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and the 7 in the third row, so no 1 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 9 here. 9 in this third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left on the 9 should be here on there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 in these two boxes. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left on the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 6 here. And 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers to 4 and a 5. We have 4 and a 5 in the second row. No 4 and a 5 in these two boxes. 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers to 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 and the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the second row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 in the last row. No 7 there. The only place left. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. 9, 9. Okay. 9, 9, 9. Let me think. How about need a 3 here, need a 3 there, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. We have a pair, the 3 in one of those two boxes, and 8 in the first column, the 3 and 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left on 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. I need 3 there. Okay. Well, need a 1 here. 1 box left now in the second column for number 1. Then 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left on 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Right. 4, 5, need 8 here. Yeah. Need 3 there. I'm thinking. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 there. So 7, 8. 3, 1, 6. Need a 6 there. 6, 4, 2. Well, 6 there. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Hmm. The 5. The 5 there. Hmm. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7, 8, 9. And 6 there. The 5 there. The 2 and the 2 there. The 2 here. Hmm. Where's the opening? The opening. These 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. Well, we need a 5 in this column. Here give me 5, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here give me 5, we have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2, 4, and the 6 here. Because we have 6 in this column, 6 in the set column, so the first column, the only 2 places left. 6 could be here, could be there. 2, 4, 3, and I need a 5 here. Yeah, need a 5 here. 5 in the, we have a pair. The 5 and the 3 in this column. The no. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 5 and the 3, 5 and the 3. So the other pair should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so 2 and the 4. That means these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Cannot fill this yet. 6, 8, 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 2. We have a 9 and a 2 in the middle. Well, no 9 and a 2 in these two boxes. 9 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 2, 9 and 2. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 6. No, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. Wow, cannot fill this yet. So we need a 9. Oh, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 and the 6. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. One box left in this column for number 1. 2 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Right. Need an 8 here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Here also 2 numbers, nope. The 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here. On there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. So the 5 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes. And then 4, 5. Need an 8 here. Need an 8. Yeah, I need a 6, I believe. Well, yeah, 2 numbers left in this row. The 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 8 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here. On there, we have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 5 and the 9. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes in there. 2 numbers left now in this. Oh wait, 4 and 5. We have a 5 now in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. On that column, the only place left, the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now. So this box should be 6. 2 and 4 in this column. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 6 missing. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes. They are finished in 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.